To use CyberScout Password Reset, start by navigating to the login page of the website or application that offers this service. Click on the Forgot Password link, which will redirect you to the Password Reset page. Here, you will be prompted to enter your username or email address associated with your account. Once you have entered your username or email address, click on the Submit button. You will then receive an email with a password reset link from CyberScout. Open the email and click on the link, which will take you to a new page where you can create a new password. When creating a new password, make sure it is strong and unique. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date. After entering your new password, you will be asked to confirm it by re-entering it in a second field. This ensures that you have typed your new password correctly and helps to prevent typos. Once you have confirmed your new password, click on the Reset Password button to complete the process. Best practices for password management include using a unique password for each of your online accounts and avoiding the use of public computers or public Wi-Fi when accessing sensitive information. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, which requires both a password and a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, to access your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely reset your password using CyberScout and protect your online identity. Remember to always use strong and unique passwords, and to be cautious when clicking on links or entering sensitive information online.